Watch how this trident sign was made. The first step is to part your hair into 3, yes, and to make your patterns neat, you can apply some braiding gel. So the first, what she's doing is making the first pattern. You see how she did it, and she made sure that the center pattern was a little bit smaller than the left and the right. Once she was done parting, she went ahead and braided the center part. You can see how it's been braided. So once she finished braiding, she now parted the remaining hair into 3. You see how the pattern is done. Once the pattern was done, she started to braid from the right side, and then she did it like a crisscross. So once she braided the first section of the right part, she now crossed over to the left and continued the braiding, just as you can see it done here. You see how she picked the second section here on the left and then braided that part. Once she was done braiding on that part, she now crossed to the right and then braided the third section on the right part, just as it's done in this video. So you see how she's doing it. She's crossed over to braid on the third sectioned part of the hair. So the same thing was done on the other part of the parted hair. You see how she's making sure that the hair is well knit by applying some braiding gel. So now she's going to do the same thing by starting to braid from the first part of the section here on the left. Once she's done braiding, she now crossed to the second parted hair, that's the second segment on the right, and she braided that part as it's done here, before she now crossed over to the last segment on the left part of the hair. So you see how, and then she braided it. Once she was done braiding, she now joined all 3 together and braided for a few times before she now started to twist. So you can see exactly how this was done. So if you take your time and watch this video, you'll be able to replicate this. So if you're coming across our videos for the first time, please do well to follow this page for more hairstyle tutorials, and thanks very much for watching.